Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So it's another episode here on Ball and Builds. And in this episode, let me start by telling you a story. So last Saturday, me and my brother were working on the frame. We were grinding it. We noticed that there was a leak.
What's happening?
Is it leaking?
Wow, look at this. What the freak? It's not from me, I don't think.
We're now going to go look for a donor car because this sucks. We were sad. We went on a sad car ride in Braden's Mustang. Eventually, we came up with a plan. In this episode, we're going to be fulfilling that plan. We bought ourselves a 2008 Ford Expedition, and we're going to be swapping it underneath the old 1979 F350. What you think, my guy?
I try not to think, it hurts my head.
So to start off, we went to Walmart and we grabbed ourselves one of these storage racks from Walmart, about $100. We're going to start setting this thing up. That way all the parts we pull off the old truck that we want to keep, we want to try to sell, we can throw on this and keep them in better condition. Right, now that we got the shelf, we start pulling things apart. Where do you think we should start?
Maybe we should just put a fuel tank in it and let it run.
No,
better.
Time to swap it.
Man, that's gonna be a lot of work disconnecting everything.
I think maybe we'll start on the front end. Pull off the grill, fenders, hood. What do you think? Sound good? Get a drill, get some sockets.
Yeah.
Get to going. The hood's off. Now we're going to focus on the fenders, fender liners, grill, and bumper.
Go! You can't have it!
Oh my gosh! Oh, that almost killed me. Yes, very important you keep everything on you can, like taping on parts that break. That way things get put together.
You're good! You're good! You're good!
You're good, and stop.
Alright guys, so we went ahead and we got the fenders pulled off, the bumper pulled off, the hood pulled off, and the doors pulled off. Now we're going to go ahead and jump inside here, try to pull out the bench seat, the steering wheel, and the dash. This boy's sleepy over here, so sleepy. You didn't. So we got the seat out. Looks like we found the rest of the nut stash. Looks like they've all been eaten though.
These nuts.
Unfortunate, baby. So now we're trying to pull out the dash. You suffering, my guy?
Every day.
Every day. Got the dash out. Braden's working on those front body mount bolts. We might pull out a few more things. This AC stuff out of the way. And we'll go ahead and we'll start getting ready to cut this stuff out. This duct does not work. There might be an animal in here. Oh.
Oh. Ooh. Is it all the way back?
No. If a mouse comes out, I'm gonna scream. Little girl.
Hucks the phone.
Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and pull out some of this AC stuff just in case we want to keep it, because it used to work. Used to. Alright guys, so we got everything pretty much pulled apart that we need to in here. Got about $40 in Sawzall blades over there in that ace bag, so we're going to jump in and get to cutting. First we're going to cut this out of the way and weld it back up. That way I can still steer this thing and hopefully can drive it and park it somewhere, just because the engine's still good, the training's still good, so we're not going to worry about it for now. After that, we're going to go ahead and cut kind of along this line up here. We're going to go ahead and cut the cab right here, cut it down in about 4 inches all the way to the back, and then follow that line right there. So hopefully cutting out the whole floorboard, most of the firewall, and we're going to try to avoid all the wires we can so that everything roughly still works in here. So we'll grab the Sawzall and we'll get to cutting. It's detached. It's loose. We still have to do those mounts though, sadly.
That's what I said. Yeah.
Unfortunately. This thing's getting pretty warm. I hope we don't overheat it. Lubed up. How about you spray it from that side? Alright guys, so we got it mostly cut up and around. We're just going to continue from over there, come down right here, connect the dots, unbolt the back bolts. I think Braden's going to work on those, and then should be good to come off.
What? No, you do it. I record.
No. Back unbolted, and we're down to the last doorway cut. Yeah. We're playing a new game called Connect the Dots. Push out the dots. Oh, it's rusted all the way to here.
Dang, bro.
Same. Why does it look like it's not detached?
I think it is.
Feels heavier now. Alright guys, well, we got it all torn apart. We got the cab ready. In the next episode or so, we're going to be tearing apart this thing, getting ready to swap onto that. That'll be exciting. With that being said, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Any last words?
That's it for today, bacon heads.
Yeah, time to go eat some burgers.